After the gloom and doom around India at Davos in the last few years, will India be the big theme and the star this year at Davos? Joining me to talk more about it, Sanjeev Bajaj and Anand Bajaj. Sanjeev, to you first. What is it that you're picking up really ahead of the summit? Do you think India will be the main talking point?
Shweta, as you know, the summit starts tomorrow. Actually, the reception starts this evening. But clearly, I expect a lot more interest on India compared to the last couple of years where, as you just started off saying, it was very, very mellow. So India is back with a bang. We know there's a lot to be done, but there's a lot happening as well. So yes, it's back to India again.
All right, it's back to India again, Anand. We're standing right outside the Make in India lounge. Make in India, the Prime Minister's pet project, and all of these posters being splashed around here. Again, an indication of how India is going to hard sell the story this time around to investors.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, that's exactly the mood we are getting to a little bit. Yesterday, in fact, evening, I got a chance to meet some people who actually came up to see how is your Prime Minister looking at making these things happen. So clearly, with the way Make in India, Swachh Bharat, and also the way one after the other BJP is getting elections state level, the stability factor will definitely bring the confidence to everyone in the international community. And I think overall it's also about the industry needing some solidity, and from that point India could create that. And clearly they want to look China next what? And
right.
Probably India is the answer.
All right, India is the answer. A lot of excitement, Sanjeev, also building up ahead of President Obama's visit, a visit that's being watched very closely around the globe. Are there huge expectations really from this visit?
Well, I think it's more an occasion, and I think this is the only time when there's a sitting president, US president, who's been here or been to India for the second time in his term. So yes, the India-US relationships, as we know, over the last couple of years are getting closer. It'll be interesting to hear what's there on the platter this time. And it's also a tremendous show both of strength and opportunity. I think that's the biggest story.
All right, a show of strength and opportunity for now, at least everyone waiting to see how India is being perceived. A large delegation of the government will be here, of course, to talk about the opportunities in India. Thanks so much, Sanjeev and Anand, for joining us. With camera person Arif Radu, this is Shweta Rajpal Kohli reporting from Davos for NDTV.